Today we're playing Animal Hospital. It's gonna be called Animal I think this should look like a king. Yeah. Owen, join me.
What is yours?
Mine is secretary.
Someone
Join with 10 shifts.
the dog.
Mine is also the dog. Oh, mine.
Blue dog. I just work.
Guys, comment down below if you want me to show you Owen. Oh. The guy who's a pink dog playing. Someone said we can't use our names, so that's why I'm not using it. It's gonna be kind of confusing for me. See, look, if you guys want to see my avatar, this is it. Oh, that's my avatar right here. Yeah.
This
That's my
guy.
avatar. For y'all who's watching, that's my avatar.
My name is not Owen. My name is Zozo.
Okay.
Remember? You're my brother. You have to know my name.
Hey, come on, check in as a patient. Oh, you have to work in the hospital. I'm a little thing. I'm supposed to check in. One. Ding dong.
And my thing is at 0%.
You literally died?
Yeah, now I have to.
Fine, do it now. We're not gonna do it again.
You leave. You leave.
No, I'm not leaving.
Go.
No, don't.
Right.
Yeah. Yes. You're not playing. Oh no. Yeah.
Leave it.
At least something on the camera.
Recycling.
Yo, should I stay? Nah, hell no. Yo, I'm back. Let's show you. Ooh, clean. My copy. Why? No. Oh, eaters. Oh, need that y'all. Yeah. Bombs. Boom. Specs. Good. Ding. Ding. Done. Ding dong.
What horse did
Mine was like black.
like? Was
Black
this
horse.
yours?
No, it's brown. Black. Just black. No, just black.
Oh, that.
It's brown.
Oh, just black.
What you call black is not black color.
Now we're.
Ding. Where were y'all? You ding dongs. Should I?
What does horse eat? What does horse
Yo, we got excellent. Okay, I'm back. I'm AFK. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Well, it's him that's doing it, not me. You'll do it. I'll do it. Wait, that was Retina. Guys, should we throw out the next person that first? I might do it. No, this is actually what we need. What did she get? She got the chocolate or some shit? I'm stamping and look at the photo. Oh. who she looks like on camera. Shadow. What do you get? Ooh, coffee. Why is everyone in here? What you want? You all have to look at the cameras. So low. You all creepy looking interns. Oh my god. Yes, hello, hello, hello. Good night, hello. Let's see this photo, y'all. If I get jump scared. I get jump scared once. That's a challenge. From now on, I'm gonna have all. From now on, every video of this of a game like this is gonna have a challenge. And I know, don't look up. Yeah, I see that. Come on, you biot. Come on, bro. I know where everything is now. Never mind, I don't. Transplant scissors. Always 10 seconds. Oh. Oh shoot. I see you glitching. I'm gonna put ointment on you. You're gonna have to leave. Here, he looks like your cameras. Yep, nothing. Yo, hello. Can I see your photo? It barely went on. The ding dong. A guy face. You know what I'm gonna do, chat. You know what I'm gonna do. Blah 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 blah. Bang. Wait, y'all. Back. I just needed to do my business. You need this or no? Oh my god, no. I just want to trash the thing. I don't care anymore.
6.
I'll sing that for my last choice, but I love them. Come on, you ding dongs, they're so slow. I'm about to goon this mother. Wait, have I been paused this whole time? Sorry, y'all. Yellow, blue, blue, red. No. Blue, green, blue, blue. Is there gonna be a ghost right here like last time? Can you go, bro? Oh.
I'm not going until you do it.
I'm not going to appointment. Heavy drugs connected. Appointment. Da 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 da. No. Oh, he's doing it?
Can you go?
Yeah, should I still check the camera so we know where No one has fainted yet. I'm gonna put him on a bet. Yo, I have to. I love this. I love feeling the stress of this. Sorry, I have to. I know I would have said if someone faints, I would have put them in the trash can, but I wanted to do it. I like doing this. Make it. Despicable me.
You made a new heart? You made a new heart?
Yeah. 12 seconds, new record. Keeps increasing my seconds. Oh, yes! The next person that faints. I said literally the next person that faints.
Put him in the garbage.
I am. No.
Can you get him out of the garbage?
Yeah.
Wait, there's a mess there.
Mm.
Yes, you're right. I just said the same thing.
By the way, that guy is helping me because I actually need pretty much help if he sees something that I don't know. What do you want? I'm a scary photo. Oh, we can't have you going in here. The photo looks so normal, though.
Kill him.
Oh no.
What?
Can't look at that face. I need that coffee then. If I do. Yeah, I can. Yo, no way. I'm trying to see something. Now look at this man's photo. Yo, that's so
What?
this guy's photo, so
Kill him. Don't put him back in animal abuse. He'll do animal abuse.
he's an animal. Shoot.
How is a person on fire?
No, there's a fire in.
Honestly, if somebody was in that room, like an animal, oh hell, they're dead. What I would be.
Standing up straight. Yeah, this guy's good. Let me check the cameras if he's good.
He's black.
Let's check him.
He's black.
What do you mean black?
Black.
That guy's good.
I mean, black implies the color black. How do you, if black is a shade, how do you make black? Every color combined.
No, it's brown. I don't even know what it's saying. I have to search it up right now. I'm not saying I'm stupid, but I have to search it up. I don't remember my colors for it. I don't even know how to make birthday cake cyan. Eye drops. Ointment.
Birthday cake cyan. Birthday cake cyan. I know. It's cyan with baby blue and dark blue.
The doctor's surviving. Yes! Now the huge anomaly thing is coming. And then this guy goes, "Ugh." There's one. 7. I'm at room 7 or 2. Person on fire. Person on fire. Person on fire. Room 2. Stop. I'm trying to focus. What? You're touched by an entity.
Bed monster.
Eye drops, ointment, bandages. Yo, you ding dong!
Oh, you ding dong. Oh, you ding dong.
Here's your forge. Can't let anyone die. This guy actually might die.
Down to 100, Avery.
Can't.
I totally didn't say Avery. Oh, I did say. Baby. I totally didn't say.
Yo, how did I die? How did I die? Okay, yo. Wait. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and bye.